The training program has been very well designed. It includes a lot of theory also, theory to give them different perspective of development, and also about the rights of the people. And it has also a component of field experience, that it's not only sitting in a cozy room and talking about development. It's also give them a hide a good bite of reality in terms of how they want to, when they go out and see those realities. It's not about seeing it on a PowerPoint presentation or talking about in a classroom. One aspect of the training program which I think is the most important is to give them a right kind of attitude to work with people, and come with the high moral ground that they are working for people. So it's much more to do with working with people, and it's a long effort, and they need to be very ready for it. They're very energetic, coming from various backgrounds with various orientations and perspective. So what I experience is that they are coming with various perspective. Some of them have very romantic idea of working with people, or they want to do something and they are very motivated for a change. But I think overall with this program, the people are coming on the same page, that development is all about realization of rights. It's all about people having a very active role and a major say in decisions which influence them. And I think at the end of it, they should have the right kind of perspective for the development, and it's a good orientation.